Hi, I have 4 rides on Saturday. So first I'm riding in third race, that is Fatima. He got a decent chance and I hope he'll run a good race. And there are two horses I think they'll run good, that is All Time Legend and Blue Valentine. But I have a good chance in that race also.
In the third race, I have called a filly called Blue Valentine. Last time Trevor rode her. He rode a little up on the pace. She just came and fizzled out. Tomorrow I have claimed on her 1.5 kilo with my apprentice. She'll go well. I'm hoping she'll be there on the frame.
In the third race, I've got a horse named All Time Legend. It was rather unfortunate last time, didn't get a clear run, and I thought she should have won last time. Hopefully this time she should do it, or rather he should do it. He's a very genuine horse when in the race, but he's a little playful horse. We have a lot of difficulty working him because he is very naughty in work. He doesn't go his work. So we just tend to prepare him by giving him a few gates. But all well with him, and we are hoping for the best.
Start his orders, they break away from the barrier. Now taking off is Whiskey Martini, was lost nearly a distance at the start. Different taking the charge early from All Time Legend. On the very rapidly is Lockstella. And then Lockstella now leads by about a length and a half to the good of Different, followed by All Time Legend held in third. They followed then by Cracker Show getting keen. Then comes Fatuma holding the fence. Then comes Art in Motion, another length and a half behind Team Player, followed by Blue Valentine. Racing next on the outside, Star Dancer. 2.5 lengths behind is Armani Candy, detached Whiskey Martini as they continue the journey towards the turn. Lockstella by about 2.5 to the good of her. In pursuit there is Different as they swing into the straight. Taking the turn 6 deep is the On Money favorite All Time Legend inching closer. They followed then by Cracker Show under reminders. Fortuna drifting out of a straight course, followed by Art in Motion. They followed then by Blue Valentine. Star Dancer as All Time Legend tackles the leader, stomps into the lead by about 2.5 to the good of Different, followed by Lockstella. Then on the very wide outside is Blue Valentine, 75 meters to run. It's all over for All Time Legend. Justifying the top billing with a very impressive way by about 5 to the good of late finishing Star Dancer, Different, followed by Blue Valentine. They followed then by Art in Motion, Fatuma and Lockstella together. Then came Cracker Show, Whiskey Martini and Armani Candy at the tail end of the field.
We have Vikrant with us here today. 2 wins in a day. You're killing it, Vikrant. Congratulations again. Now, tell us about yourself because viewers need to know about you.
Actually, I am born and brought up from Pune. In 2010, I have shifted my hometown base to Hyderabad and I've joined my apprentice over here only. Then I got my license in 2013 in Hyderabad Race Club. My family all they are in Pune only. I am alone myself here in Hyderabad and working myself.
Oh, that's nice. So, now that you've won 2 races, you have to tell us about the strategy. What is there in your mind?
I was very much confident on the horse because I'm working that horse from the season start. And as the result, I was very confident on the horse that I'll win the race minimum by 3.5 lengths.
I have Mr. Netto with me here today. Hello, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Congratulations on your win. Can you please tell us about All Time Legend?
Yeah, like I had in my earlier day or two back earlier interview, I was quite confident about him because he had run a very good race and he's lived up to his previous run, performed well and improved on his last run.